Hello, this video is going to show you how to use the mole removal pin. It comes with the pin, some attachment bits, and I also suggest using alcohol swab to clean the area beforehand. How to use the pin: there's an on and off button that you have to hold down to actually get it to turn on. Then you have 1, 2, or 3 where you could cycle between them by clicking it again. And after you select the setting, you can hit the output button to actually activate it, and the light will turn green. The pin comes with two different bits. This thicker one is the one I would recommend over the needles. It screws directly into the pin and is easier to use and control. The other bit is the smaller bit with 5 disposable needles. You can thread the needles through the smaller bit and then screw both of them together onto the pin. I don't think these do that great of a job as the other one, but they are there if you want to use them. So first off, I'm going to take out my alcohol swab and I'm going to go ahead and clean the area that I'm going to use the pin on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the pin on. I'm going to set it to 1, and I'm going to go ahead and start to press it against my skin all the way down and then hit the output button to turn the light green. When the light's green, you kind of just want to color it in. You don't want to keep touching it, otherwise you'll zap yourself. So you want to press it all the way down to your skin and kind of just color it in and keep going back and forth. You may want to use the higher settings to try to get it to work better. Um, but you'll see that it's eventually, you'll start burning off the skin and it'll start to turn red and bloody, and it'll scab over and it'll heal back in and the mole won't be there. So here's what it looks like after I've used mole removal pin. Here's two different pictures, and then here's two different moles that I used the pin on that fully healed. They still have a bit of a red mark to them, but it shows up more on my paler skin. If you have tanner skin, it probably won't show up as bad. The pin doesn't really work that great on raised moles, but it works really good on small flat ones. But raised ones, you want to use a different product. I put the link in the description for something I would use for a raised mole or anything that's pretty large.